Oh.
Okay. Okay.
Oh.
Okay, mga katropa. After namin mag-vlogging, so mag-push up challenge naman tayo ng aking body. Aking classmate, si Sergeant Gonzales. Simulan natin. Push up. Okay. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. 4-0 Palaman.
Okay.
Thank you for watching.